Hello students, here we start the second part of our lesson on substitution in polynomial. So in part 3 of my video lesson I have given you the concept and I have done question 1 to 6. So here in this part 4 of my video on fundamental concepts of algebra I will be doing questions 7 to 11. So just to recap children, in my first video already I have done and giving you the full concept. So here just have a recap of that. What is substitution? The process of replacing each variable. By this 3 example I'll tell you each variable by a given value. So here value is given. See, wherever p is there, we will write 3. Wherever q is there, we will write -5. Anywhere you find r, we will write 4. So this is called substitution, which is the process of replacing each variable x, y, z, a, b, c, d, all the alphabet children, they are called variables. So we replace them by a given value. Okay, so all these 3 questions, these values, we are going to substitute. So as I gave you example in my earlier video, in school you have a substitution period. When one teacher is not there, when other teacher comes, we call him or her a substitute teacher. So the main one, so here we will substitute. So the original one is not there, some fixed value we will put. This is what is called substitution. So with this idea, let us start and do the rest of the chapter. So here in question 7 part 2, all the even number part I am doing. So q square children is -5. So here this is what we call, I have substituted -5 for q. Then for p, 3 and r, 4. For p, 3 and for r, 4. So you know negative number square, minus into minus I taught you earlier in integers chapter. This will become 25 minus 3, 3s are 9, 4s are 36. So, and this also subtraction I have taught you. When one is plus, one is minus, subtract the smaller from the larger and put the sign of the larger. Minus is bigger. So here you see P, I write 3, Q is -5, you can put a bracket to make it more better. Q is -5, R is 4, plus R is 4 and P is 3. So children, you must see wherever there is minus only we put a bracket. So this is -15, -20 plus 12. So we get -35 plus 12, which is -23. Okay, now see this. This I can show you in 2 methods because we have found out this here, so we can apply here. So method 1 children, very interesting relationship between part 4 and part 6 here. Method 1, p square, 3 square plus q square plus r square. This minus I take common children. It becomes pq plus qr plus pr. So very shortcut method. I take common and this value already I have got as -23. So simply we will substitute and see what we get. So here 9, 3 square is 9 plus 25 plus 16 minus -23. This value is -23. So we get children, when you add all this, 34, this is 50, minus plus 23, we get 73. So kindly pause the video and copy, and then I'll just tell you in short what is the method 2. So this is method 1. Method 2 only what we will do, we will find it individually. Okay, like we have done, we will substitute full. So method 2 will be detailed children. See what we do here, we will write the same thing. First part, 3 square minus 5 square plus 4 square. But here what we will do, each value we have got minus PQ. So minus PQ will be this value I substitute. P and Q minus QR minus 5 into 4 minus PR 4 into 3. So all this similar with minus sign. So when you calculate this, children, this also you will get 73. Okay. So if you want to see, this will be 50 as I showed you. This is my 50 minus, okay, you will get plus 15 minus minus plus. Here also you will get plus 20 and here you will get 12 minus 12. So we get 65. 85 minus 12 is 73. So method 2, here we put all the values. Okay children, so method 2 is a little bigger, but you get the same answer. So anywhere if you are comfortable, both the answer we get same. So kindly pause the video and copy the method 2. So method 2, I've done it little up. So you please copy. So this total of this which I have already done in method 1, we get 50 minus minus plus 15 minus minus plus 20 and minus 4 3s are minus 12. So we add all this 3, we get 85 minus 12 is 73. So now 3 more question, 3 more part we have in question 8. So we will see this. A is given 3 and B is minus 4. So see children, first question, A is 3, B is minus 4. You can write plus minus 4, which will be actually minus 4. Okay, if you wish, you can write like this, plus minus 4. So in my earlier video, I have explained to you this, 3 minus minus B, A minus minus B. So what do we get? 3 minus 4, okay, and here additive inverse concept I have given you earlier. So actually I told you in short, only the sign minus minus becomes plus, not the value. So this is actually minus means adding the additive inverse. So plus additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. So here we get children minus 1 by 7. This is the part 1's answer. Second one you see, I substitute A 3 B minus 4 by A square minus B square. So here just I have substituted children value of A and B. A and B is 3 and minus 4. So this I am rubbing. So you can pause the video and copy this nicely. So in between children, you pause the video, you play back, you stop, write and be active children. So maths you cannot be passive. You have to always be with their pen and paper, copy and write. So this one children, minus 12 we get. 3 square is 9. Another thing always remember, square of negative number is always positive. So minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. So here we get answer minus 12 by 25. See the last part children, A square, already the denominator of this is numerator there. So it is 3 square plus minus 4 square by B square children, minus 4 square, B is minus 4 and A is 3. So what do we get children? 9 plus 16. This I have already explained to you. Minus 4 square is 16. 16 minus 9. So we get 25 by 16 minus 9 is your 7. So leave it as a fraction like that, a rational number, and if you want to convert 3 7s are 21. So you will get 3 4 by 7. So you can pause the video and copy the working. So next we move on to question number 9. So here you will see we have got A as 8, B is 2 and C is 3. So first step, in place of B I write 2, C I write 3. 5 into 8 into 2. ABC 8 into 2 into 3 minus 3 into b square. B is 2 square. So kindly check the substitutions. You have to be very careful, children, over here. Don't be in a hurry. These are easy, but there are chances if you copy wrong, whole thing will go wrong and you may get 0. So 16, A is not here, remember. B into C minus 5 A into B upon ABC minus 3B square. So here we get 16 2s are 32, 3s are 96 minus, this is very easy, I'll tell you, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 8 is 80. And here we get 8 2s are 16, 3s are 48, minus 3 into 2 square is 4. So here we go, 96 minus 80 is 16 by 48 minus 12. So we get 16 by 34. Okay, let us check once more. 16 2s are 32, 3s are 96, 5 2s are 10, 8 10s are 80. 16 3s are 48, 3 into 4 12. So 16, 48 minus 12 we get 36, I think, yes. So whatever can be cancelled, I think. 4 is the HCF, 4 is the biggest number, 4 4s are 4 9s are. So if you see, after reducing it to simplest term, answer is 4 by 9. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to question number 10. So next we move on to question number 10. X is 4, y is 3, z is minus 2. So what we do, x value we put 4, y's value we put 3, we square it, and z we put minus 2 upon xy. X is 4, y is 3 plus yz. So minus, better you write in bracket. Learn this important thing. Z is minus 2 into x is 4. So what do we get? 16 plus 9. As I told you, minus square is always plus. So 2 minus 2 into 2 is plus 4. 12 minus 6 minus minus plus 8. So we get 25 minus 4 by, see, board mass rule. First do addition. First do addition. Don't subtract first. Addition then subtraction. So we get 21 by 14. We cancel by 7 3s are 7 2s are. You take the HCF and cancel with that. So we get 3 by 2. So you can write as a rational number or a fraction. We call fraction in class 6. And if you convert to mixed fraction, it will be 1 1 by 2. So kindly pause the video and we move on to the very last question that I see is state true or false. So the last question of this session, children, is true or false. So see here, read the question properly. The value of A, the value of 5x minus 3. Let us find 5x minus 3. In place of x, write 0. X is 0 given. So we substitute x as 0. So 5 minus 3, children, is minus 2. So value of 5x minus 3 is minus 2, which is not equal to 2. Question is saying is 2. No, it is false. Why it is false, children? Value of 5x minus 3 is minus 2. It is not 2. So it is false. Last one of this exercise. When a is 3, then a square, substitute value of a as 3. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. 2a. 2a is 2 and 2a, which is 6. So you see a square, this sign means not equal to. Equal to, when you cut, it is called not equal to. So a square is not equal to 2a because a square is 9 and 2a is 6 and they are not equal. So this is also, children, false. So almost, if you see, I have done half of your question. Most of the exercise you see, I have done half or more than half of the question. So almost 60% I am solving and you all solve, the rest 40%, because until you solve with your own hand, you won't be able to learn. So please, what I have done, you do. What I have not done before that, children, you do solved example. See the concept again, see solved example. Do without seeing. Then check your answer. Then what I have not done, you do, and I'm 100% sure then you will be able to get almost all the answers correct. So please do practice regularly, children. Thank you, children, for watching this video lesson.